We have just came back from the Old Man of Storr, and on this road we just found a waterfall. Di situ, air terjun. So we stop here to go and get some photos from the waterfall as well. Come and see the waterfall. You can see, I'm going to show you over there. That's the old man there. We have just been from there. You can see, that is the Old Man of Storr that we have just been. Itu yang tadi kami baru kembali dari sana. Itu yang namanya the Old Man of Storr in Isle of Skye. Meanwhile, you can see it. So clear.
Yeah.
Okay. We were.
See how far away from the rock, the background rock it is.
It was, because if you because we were in front of that, it looks so close to the wall. Yeah.
You wouldn't believe it was so far
Like that.
away from where we were.
We'll just walk on this side until there.
Well, this is
The
the right side to walk.
waterfall is over there. I see. Okay. That's the waterfall up there. And look at the Old Man of Storr in the clouds. Kami tiba di sini. Kami tiba lagi di sini di air terjun sini. Silakan lihat. Itu dia. And that is the Old Man of Storr that we just came back from. Itu batu yang berdiri sendiri tuh, itu namanya the Old Man of Storr. Jadi itu dia air terjunnya, the waterfall. What's the name of the waterfall? Do you know? Braide. Waterfall. Mantap. Look at that. Ini di Isle of Skye. Sangat-sangat amazing, magnificent. Sangat magnificent sekali tempatnya di sini, Skye. Alamnya sangat, the nature is just spectacular.
Oh, we're